Morning, guys. I'm going to show you a quick tour to this hotel. We already stayed here for 5 days, and now we are going to do some checkout to go to the airport and then go to Bali for 7 weeks before we go to Bangkok. This is the lobby of Artotel Suites Bianti with all the art. I really love it. And we are going to enter the restaurant. So it's quite big, spacious. A lot of people are having breakfast now, so I'm not going to show you a lot of things, but almost every night they have a DJs and live musics. And this is all the restaurant. Let's walk this way. We had couple dinners here. The food are okay. Not to mention, it's okay. It's not. There's things that can be better. Also in the hotel lobby, if you walk from the lobby, there is a tour and travels. They are closed because of it's weekend. And there are shops. So this is the meeting rooms. I haven't been there before, so we are going to go up. So we are at the second floor where you can find the swimming pool, spa, sauna. We only use the gym for a couple times because they call it a mini gym, but it's really cramped with a lot of stuff. This is the pool. There's the children. And this is the spa. We didn't use it. This is the gym. We are happy there is a gym, but it's really cramped up, full with equipments. I would prefer to remove some of the equipment, especially the treadmill and the bike, move it out there, because you have to be able to move freely to be able to safely exercise. And after the gym we have the sauna and toilet. We want to use it, but we don't feel to use it. This is a sauna and toilet and shower, outdoor shower for the pool. So this is the pool. We didn't use it at all. We would love to have a sunbathing, but we doesn't feel like it. We stayed at the 8th floor where the executive room and suite room. Let's see, 8th floor. So my airport pickup will be here at 9, and it's now around 10 minutes before 9, so I'm going to go rust a little bit to show you the room, if I can open it, because we already closed it. Now this is where we stayed. On this part of the is quiet. Oh, it's already closed. I'm going to show you the room. This is not my room, but almost the same. I think this is a studio. The room is almost the same, but the executive room is bigger than this. There is more space on the other side with seating. The bathroom are the same, a bit bigger. Yes. Oh, finally he is here, so I can. Oh, there is no light, but the toilet is the same. But this is the room, just slightly bigger than studio with a sitting place. There are the view. We are happy with the coffee machine every day. So this room messy because we are going to check out now. In every room there is art, safety box, and I'm sure about that, but the setup is almost the same. Yes. So that was the room. Finally, can show you two type of room of this location. And upstairs there is a restaurant. I love the painting. So in this restaurant you can have a romantic dinner. Some people did it, but for me it's not really that interesting to do. Very close it, but you can see the view of the city. We have the same view in our room. So guys, thank you for watching. Now I'm going downstairs to catch my airport transfer. It's on 9 AM. We have to drive for 1.5. So I'm back walking to the lobby again. There are some people, so I'm not going to film them. I think the best feature of this place is still only the lobby. The room are okay, but well, compared to the Indigo hotel we stayed last time in Phuket, it's just totally different. But we satisfied. We stayed here for 7 days to take care of family matters, and we did it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.